Hey, what's up out there, guys? This here is the Money Cube channel, and today I'm going to be purchasing 2 shares of GameStop stock. And so I'm going to show you exactly how to do this on Cash App. So we're now looking at my Cash App, and I'm going to click on the bottom right hand stock symbol, the little squiggly arrow looking thing. So now we're in my Cash App, and let me remove myself so you can get a good look at this. All right, so this is my portfolio. I'm currently up on the day at $33, about 2%. So as you can see, these are the stocks that I'm currently invested in. We're gonna come down here to GameStop. All right, so what I do sometimes is I'll invest $1 in a stock. That's not to trade or make money. What I do is it allows me to keep a close eye on the movement of that stock and the percentages that it goes up or down throughout the course of a day, and then I can make a decision on whether I want to trade it or not. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is buy 2 shares, and if you come down here, it gives you a lot of information on each stock when you go into it. 1 share of GameStop right now is $39.23. So I'm going to buy 2 shares. There'd be a few cents left over, but let's come up here to the top, and I'm going to click buy. All right. So what I'm going to do, it gives you options there. You can invest $1, $20, $10, $50, $100, or if you hit those 3 dots, you can actually enter the amount that you want to purchase, and you can do fractional shares of a stock, or you can buy a whole share of a stock. So I'm gonna put in $80, which that's gonna cover 2 shares, and give that just a moment. All right, now it's gonna confirm. You see, buy $80 of GameStop. So confirm that. And it tells me with a check mark, you purchased $80 of GameStop. Done. It's that simple. Now I have $80.92. That's my that's what's available. That's what my investment is worth. And as you can see, the market is active right now, so it's moved to $81.01. So I have lost 0.01% since I invested that. So now what I'll do is I'll swing trade this stock. So what I'll do is watch it, and if GameStop goes up significantly, then I'll just take my small profit and get out. But if it dips at least 8%, what I'll do is I will double that investment to $160, my original investment to $160. And so what that will do, if you've been watching my videos, you'll see my swing trading strategy. It will lower my overall cost of entry. So right now you can see the share price is like $39. So if it dips 8%, and then that price comes way down, and I'm basically, if I sell it at that point, I'm at a loss. But if I double my original amount that I invested, it'll bring my overall cost down. So what happens is, when the stock goes back up, it won't have to go as far. It won't have to go as far up for me to earn a profit. And you can, that's a strategy that I adopted. And the other thing, if, of course, it could continue to go down. So if it went that far down and then it went another 10% down, then I can take and double that and put in, I think it would be 320 would be double that second level of investment. So you have $80 and then 160 and then 320, and see what you're doing. You're continuing to buy the dip and dollar cost average on your, when you're averaging, you're going down. You're averaging it down so that again, you minimize your risk. And that's probably one of the most powerful things I've learned since I've been trading. You don't want to go into this thing on a whim and gamble. You want to have a set strategy that you adopt. And this is not advice for you to do what I'm doing. I'm just telling you and explaining what I do when I invest. All right. If you choose to do it, do your own research. And you want to also, when I say do your own research, you want to look at the company, look at the recent news about that company. And just kind of get a feel for what's going on. And so you can you can get a pretty good guess as to what the stock might do in the coming days. All right. So I hope hope that helps y'all out with your investing journey. If you have any questions about that, please hit them up in the comments. I will do my best to get back as soon as I can. Sometimes I get quite a bit of them, so it's tough to respond to everybody, but I will do my best, and I greatly appreciate it. Y'all stay tuned for the next upcoming video. Have a good day.